tutorials. We're going to talk about Google integration today, and what I wanted to kind of walk you through was just basically how can I take my Google apps and bring them into Canvas. For the most part, it's going to work a lot like you would think. You can embed them. A little bit of a different twist. It's not like embedding a photo or anything, but I'm going to kind of walk you through the page that I've constructed and just kind of show you what needs to happen. In order to create a page, a Google Doc in Canvas, it's real easy. When you're creating your page, let me go ahead and just edit this. As you're creating your content, as you're bringing things into Canvas, if you want to integrate a Google document from Google Docs, then one of the easiest ways to do that is to bring in it from the external app little plugin here. So when you go here, you're going to click Google Apps. It's going to bring up a document or a window where it's going to let you navigate through your Google Drive and select a particular file. And you'll click Embed if you want the document to appear right in the window. If you want it to be just a link and you want the students just to click on it, you can do it that way as well. You can also do the document link versus just embed in linking in an external app. But you'll click that and the images are already on the screen. And so it brings up this window. You'll click Google Apps. I clicked Embeds because this was really what this was how can I embed these documents into a page? And this is what you see. And these documents are live. You can edit them. You can click on them. All the unit the things that you're used to using within a Google Doc are right here in the window, right? So you could have a student type up a document. You could have a preloaded doc, and you could have this set up to give a copy to the student, and they could finish the document out, answer questions, create their own page as they see fit. Okay, and in the same way, you can link that document, and that's what this would look like here. It would just be text, and you can use a button to link it to. Kind of is up to you. Sometimes I like to put both in case there is some issue with the document embedding, and they can always click on that GDoc link here, and it'll take them directly to the page for the Google document. Same thing with slides, although slides are a little bit different. I'm not actually editing slides. I am watching them or looking at them. Of course, you can click play, or you can manually click through the slides one at a time. If there's any animation on the slide, you can see that show up, and I'll see that. You can see that happen like that. You can have that slideshow continue and click through it, or you can also embed these slides to automatically begin playing and to loop. This one's not set up this way, but you can go into Google Slides and click Publish to Web under the File menu, and you're going to get this window to pop up. Click on the Embed tab and follow the instructions. You can set up your size and how fast you want it to advance, but click these two links or these two little buttons here. This will automatically start it as it plays, so the student doesn't have to click play, and the next one will have it just loop around. So in other words, you could put this on your home page to do some maybe announcements or anything like that where you want students to see it, and it just continue to repeat itself. You would click once you click these two, you'll get a publish button. You click that button, it will bring up this menu here, and you'll click copy, and it will copy that, and you'll go into your HTML editor down here, and then you'll click and copy that, paste that in, and once you turn it off, come back to this view, you'll see your slideshow show up as is, and it will continue to play through and loop around. The third one we're going to talk about is Google Forms. This one's a little trickier. This one doesn't work quite as naturally as the other two. If you want to embed a Google form, you can. Obviously, this is the Google form that I've embedded into this document. You can't do it directly into it, right? So when you're in Google Forms, you can see basically, if you click the send button, the top, it's on the top right-hand corner, pretty big button, you can't miss it. It's going to bring up an option here. If you'll click this symbol, which is the embed symbol, it will give you a code. you want to copy this code, right? It's got a copy there. So click copy and then come into your Google or your Canvas page or whatever you're embedding it into. If it's a quiz or anything like that, an assignment, you can do it there as well. You're going to click on that HTML editor here. It's going to bring it up. You're going to find the place you want to put it. So you can click on it and then hit enter, put it in that space, and then turn this off. And then basically what you have is once you get down, you'll see your Google form and it's live. And of course you can see here, I can click on it and I can click through these as you see fit, and I can submit that at the bottom. And that's it. That's really how easy it is to embed the Google things that we have already created into your pages or your assignments inside of Canvas. So I hope that really helps. I know that's going to definitely be a time saver for things that we've already gotten done. We just want to kind of import them over. It's great to do it, whether I can link it or I can embed that right into Canvas. It works out really, really well. Hope that helps. Have a great day.